Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take the hairs in these small sections and make the plaits to join it like this. Keep tying the hairs in the line as shown in the video, like the upper section of the hairs in the same manner you have to tie it. Fix it on the sides like this using a hair clip, rubber band or any hair clip, and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the hairs like this on the top and then make the plaits in the zigzag way. So few section of plaits on the right side, few on the left side by joining the hairs. So watch these steps very carefully how we are fixing it. Tie the hairs in the similar way and it's done. Next, take the hairs on the top, tie it like this and make the plaits. Now tie all the hairs, fold it and rotate it. Now fix the hairs into each other. Make the plaits on the rest of the hairs, fold it upward and fix it to make a bun using the hairpin, and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking the hairs, make the ponytail, then rotate it. Now, we'll be folding the hairs like this. Fix the hairs and then tie it from the between. Now, fold the hairs upward and fix it using the hairpin like this. Fix it and it's done. Next, moving forward, we'll be showing you some more beautiful hairstyles. So take the hairs like this and you fix it with this band. Divide the hairs and then rotate it like this by folding the band around it. So use these type of bands. You can plug it out from one side and fix it on the other by rotating the hairs like this. So it's very easy to tie the hairs with them. Now make the plaits on the hairs like this. Now fold it upward and fix it using the hairpin on the downside, and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs, tie the hairs like this by rolling around and make the ponytail. Take small section of the hairs and roll it like this. Now keep rolling the hairs as shown in the video and tie the hairs one by one till the end. Roll it carefully as shown here and keep tying it till the end and fix the hairs in the similar way like this. Now keep rolling the hairs like this as shown in the video. Tie it with the rubber band like this and fix it, and your hairstyle is ready. Next, make a ponytail and take this band and fix it on the sides. Now take small sections, roll it upward and then fold it around the band like this. So watch it how we are fixing it. Now take the hairs and join them from the sides one by one by taking the hairs in the between. Tie the hairs like this and fix it and then fold it upward as shown in the video using the hairband, and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be tying the ponytail and fix this bun clip. Now fold the hairs down and then tie it with the rubber band like this as shown in the video. Now after that, fold it and fix it like this using the bun pin and make a bun. Now after that, fix it like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll be making a ponytail and fold this hair band around it and then fix it on the sides. Now after that, tie the hairs by folding it around the other side of the band like this. Fix it one by one and then at the end again rotate it like this. So totally we'll be making a bun by rolling the hairs simply one by one like this and make a circle, and it's done. Next, take the hairs and make a ponytail out of it like this. Now after that, fix the hairs like this as shown in the video. Now after that, you have to tie the hairs with the rubber bands like this by leaving the small space in the slanting way you have to tie it. Now we have to pull out the hairs from the between like this and fix it, and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.